subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Samsung is reportedly gearing up to launch its new budget smartphone under A series called Galaxy A11. Recently, the official renders of upcoming Galaxy A11 has spotted online by Android headlines that shows the front and back look of the smartphone. According to leak renders, the Galaxy A11 looks to have an hole punch at the top left corner of the display for selfie camera, and the edges of the screen is covered by thick bezels. The rear panel of the phone appears to be made of plastic that carries vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash beside it, and there is also an fingerprint sensor equipped on the back panel. Additionally, the volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge. Talking about the specifications, according to 91 Mobiles, in partner with Ishan Agarwal, suggest the upcoming Galaxy A11 will support a 6.4-inch display size and it will run on Android 10 based on Samsung's One UI 2.0. As per the camera, the Galaxy A11 will feature a 13-megapixel primary camera and the other two camera details were not known at the moment, but it is expected to include a wide-angle lens plus depth sensor. For selfies, there will be 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the front. The device is set to pack with up to 128GB of internal storage, and it will have 4000 mAh battery that will support fast charging via USB Type-C port. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy A11 has leaked so far. Talking about the pricing, the Galaxy A11 is expected to price around 9,000 rupees in India. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy A11 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.